Good morning, students. Today, we will discuss another method in numerical integration. That method is known as Simpson one-third rule. Simpson one-third rule. By using Simpson one-third rule, we can easily evaluate the function without using integral formulas. The formula says that integral a to b f of x dx is equal to h by 3 into y0 plus yn plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus etc. plus yn minus 1 plus 2 into y2 plus y4 plus etc. plus yn minus 2. That means h is equal to b minus a by n. B minus a by n, where n is the number of intervals. First, we calculate the value of h by using the formula b minus a by n. Then h by 3 into, in brackets, y0 plus yn, first term plus last term, plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus etc. plus yn minus 1. That means sum of odd terms of y. Plus 2 into y2 plus y4 plus etc. plus yn minus 2. That means sum of even terms. By using this formula, we can evaluate the function f of x. We can do one problem based on this method. Evaluate integral 0 to 1 by 1 plus x square dx using Simpson one-third rule. Take n is equal to 4, where a number of intervals taken as 4. In the case of Simpson one-third rule, we apply only for even intervals. The number of intervals should be even. Here we take n is equal to 4. So first we make the table. We can make the table. The first column, x is equal to 0. First column, first value x is equal to 0. Then we calculate the value of h. H is equal to b minus a, 1 minus 0 by 4. Upper limit 1, lower limit 0. Then n is equal to 4. 1 minus 0 by 4. That value will be 0.25. Therefore, first value 0, the second value will be 0.25. Second value will be 0.25. Next value will be 0.50. Next value will be 0.75. Next value will be 1. Therefore, intervals, first interval, second interval, third interval, fourth interval. Number of intervals will be 4. Then we can calculate the corresponding function value. Corresponding function value y is equal to f of x. That is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. We put x is equal to 0. Then we get the first value will be 1. Then when we put x is equal to 0.25, we get 0.9412. The second next value will be 0.8. When we put x is equal to 0.5, 1 by 1 plus x square will be 0.80. Next value 0.6400. Next value 0.500. First we calculate, first we make the table. When we put x is equal to 0, the function 1 by 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1. Similarly, we put x is equal to 0.25. Similarly, we put x is equal to 0.5, x is equal to 0.75, x is equal to 1. We get the table as 1, 0.9412, 0.8, 0.64, 0.5. Therefore, this value taken as y0, this value taken as y1, this value taken as y2, this value taken as y3, this value taken as y4. Then we obtain the values of y0, y1, y2, y3, y4. Then we can apply the formula. The Simpson one-third formula says that integral 0 to 1, 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to h by 3 into first y0, first term plus last term. First term plus last term, that is y0 plus yn plus 2 into plus plus 4 into sum of odd terms, plus 2 into sum of even terms, That is, here h is equal to 0.25 by 3. The first term is equal to y naught. Y naught plus last term y4. Y naught plus y4. From the table, y naught plus y4 plus 4 into sum of odd terms. Here odd terms are y1 and y3. 4 into y1 plus y3 plus 2 into sum of even terms. Here even term is 2, y2. Therefore, we make the formula and substituting the values. We just substituting the values. 0.25 by 3, y naught is equal to 1 plus y4 is equal to 0.5. 1 plus 0.5 plus 4 into y1 is equal to 0.9412 plus y3 is equal to 0.640 plus 2 into y2 is equal to 0.8. We just substituting the values. When we substituting the value y0, y1, y2, y3, y4 here, 1 plus 0.5 plus 4 into 0.9412 plus 0.6400 plus 2 into 0.8. Just substituting the value and simplifying, you will get the value as 0.7854. This is therefore integral 0 to 1 by 1 plus x square dx. The value of integral 0 to 1 by 1 plus x square dx will be 0.7854. But without using integral formula, without using integration, we can easily evaluate the function by using numerical method. This method is known as Simpson one-third rule. Simpson one-third rule says that integral h by 3 into first term plus last term. Plus 4 into sum of odd terms plus 2 into sum of even terms. Here in this problem, for h is equal to 0.25 by 3, y0 plus y4, first term plus last term, plus 4 into first term, sum of odd terms. Here odd terms are y1, y1 plus y3, plus 2 into sum of even terms, only y2. Therefore, y0 plus y4 plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus 2 into y2. From the table, we can take the value y0 as 1, y4 as 0.4, and y1 as 0.9412, y3 as 0.64, and y2 as 0.8. We just substituting the value, and by using calculator, we can arrive the value 0.7854. Value is 0.7854. Therefore, integral 0 to 1 by 1 plus x square dx, by using Simpson one-third rule, we get the answer as 0.7854. Okay.